Have you ever wondered what makes 360 brass one of the most versatile materials in manufacturing? 360 brass is a type of brass that's made up of copper and zinc, with small amounts of lead and other elements mixed in. Specifically, 360 brass is made up of 61.5% copper, 35% zinc, and 3% lead. The addition of lead makes 360 brass easier to machine and gives it excellent machinability. But that's not all. 360 brass also has good strength, excellent corrosion resistance, and it's non-magnetic. Because of these properties, 360 brass is used in a wide variety of applications, including electrical and plumbing fixtures, gears, bearings, and musical instruments. And when it comes to precision ground 360 brass bars, there's no better source than advanced grinding. Our centerless grinding service ensures that every bar meets the tight tolerances required for your application. So whether you're working on a complex component or a simple fitting, 360 brass is the material of choice. And when you need precision ground 360 brass bars, turn to advanced grinding for the quality and expertise you deserve.